Let me turn the rain down. That's another thing I need is a mic. Forgot I don't have no mic. Hey y'all, I am back with another video. My name is Cassidy for those who are new here, and if you're not, welcome back. Thank you for watching my channel. I am just getting into posting more on my YouTube, so I just figured like my first video should be my wash and go routine. The last one I did was almost 3 years ago, 3.5 years ago. So yeah, some things have changed. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my wash and go on freshly washed hair, the products that I use, and how I came out to get this result. So if you want to see, stay tuned. Alright, my hair is freshly washed, detangled, and I deep conditioned it already. So this is what we have. This is what we have. This is what we have. So let's go ahead and take these twists out. I deep conditioned my hair with the Amika's Bond Repair. I'll insert a picture. Yes, y'all, I've been obsessed. I've been obsessed with that Amika line. It's just so good. It's so good. My hair always has a little bit of heat damage after a silk press, but I kept that silk press in so long. My hair was disgusting. Scalp disgusting. And y'all can see like real clean. Real clean. We are gonna go in with these 3 products. So first, we're gonna be using the new Mousse Def by the Dew. My girl. It's just, this bottle right here is just too bright. It doesn't want to focus. But it is the Miss Jessie's Feather Soft Curls. Going in with the Curlsmith Hydro Jelly. I do like to start off sectioning my hair in 4 different sections. It's just, I mean, I don't always do it, but it is easier to work with whenever you just go ahead and get the sections out the way. My hair has already been detangled, so this will be a very quick wash and go. This is my first wash and go of 2023 for YouTube, but this is really like my go-to routine, y'all. The mousse is a staple product in my routine. I will always use this mousse unless I'm just trying new products. This is like my staple for my wash and go. These 2 are not so much, but I have used them before, and I have used this one quite a lot lately because I've really been liking how my curls come out so light with it. I stopped using curl cream like 2021. I don't know the last time I made a video for y'all. That's so sad. I know it's been a long time ago, but yeah, I don't do the whole like leave-in curl cream gel because it takes forever to dry. And then like now that they have mousse, the mousse that's so good, I'm a 1 product girly. 1-2 product, like a good mousse and a good gel. As long as you are like your base is good and you've washed your hair and it's moisturized, that the mousse, the only thing about the mousse is like it's not gonna last the 6-7 day wash and go. This wash and go is gonna last you good 5 days. I'm gonna come back on day 5. Well, probably not in this video, but it's gonna last you 5 days. Go in with this first. Just gonna do like a little bit, not too much. It is a thicker product, so you don't want to put, you really don't want to put too much in there, because like I don't like my wash and goes to be super weighed down. I don't like when they take forever to dry, and I want my day 1 hair to really be given like day 3, which is another reason why I love using a mousse. Y'all, this video might be a little chatty because this is my first video back with y'all. Oh my god. The girl is back on YouTube. Look at that. Like, and it smells so good. I love the way her products smell. Still want to make sure your hair is soaking wet. For sure. So yes, life has been crazy. I think the last YouTube that I made, I was pregnant. And nobody, well, y'all didn't know I was pregnant because I wasn't telling people I was pregnant. I definitely hid my pregnancy for like 6-7 months. But I was definitely pregnant. I feel like the last one I did, I couldn't breathe in the video because I was so big. But yes, that was like 2021. And I just like neglected my YouTube so bad. My daughter is literally going to be 4 in April, so that just shows you how long it's been. I'm going to also go in like with the shingling method. I usually don't do this to my hair much anymore because my hair just, it really does define well on its own, and I don't use a brush. But I'm going to do it with this wash and go just because this is my first wash and go after a silk press, and sometimes, you know, it takes the curls a little minute. It takes the curls a little minute to come back to life after your silk press. Like as you can see here, the bottom of this, a little damaged maybe. I have completely changed the way that I wash my hair, the products that I'm using, and I have just honestly came to the conclusion that the way you, oh, by the way, I broke this. This is ghetto. The way you wash your hair just makes such a difference in how your wash and go comes out. Trying to figure out what I want my channel to be about. I know I definitely want to have like hair on there. I've gotten into makeup, so definitely want to give y'all some makeup looks here and there, like beginner friendly makeup looks. Nothing too crazy. I tend to be a little bit private. So me doing a YouTube, I think that's why I really struggle with YouTube, but I just feel like it's a good time for me to like really talk about the things that I have going on in life right now. So yeah, look at that, y'all. It looks so good. I already tell this wash and go is going to be good because of the way my hair feels. Yeah. Look at this. Like, so moisturized. Oh, I also, look at this. Please excuse my ADHD and me going from topic to topic to topic. This is why I need to write a script for my YouTube videos, because I will literally yap and go on and on and on from topic to topic to topic. See, I don't even know what I was saying. What was I saying? What was I saying? Who knows? Who knows? I really want to cut my hair off. I said when I turned 30 that I was going to cut my hair off, and I was going to go like, there's this girl on Instagram that I love. Her haircut, it's like McFly or something like that on Instagram. I'm gonna insert her picture so y'all can tell me if, I know y'all could be like, do not cut your hair off, but I do want to do it. Like, I'm gonna be 30 in August, this like next August, like I just basically turned 29, but I really kind of want to give auntie a little bit, just 1 year. Like I just want to give like a big drastic change, and my hair really does grow back extremely fast, so it's like I'm not even scared. I'm not even nervous to do it. I definitely want to cut my hair off at some point. Like, we've done the bob, so it's like I need something different. Like, I need something real drastic. Like, what if I cut my hair and dyed it? I don't think I could dye it blonde. Like the girls be cutting their hair and going blonde. I feel like that's a little too far. Do a little curly pixie. Where's my head too big? I don't know. Child. We'll see. I've gotten so comfortable with making short form content. So I like the TikTok ban, if it goes through, is going to definitely force me to get back into making long form content, which I do really like to make. I really like to vlog, but I know like I need to get some of my hair content up on YouTube too, so it's gonna force me. It's gonna force me to do it if it goes through for real. So I'm gonna do the top of my hair, same thing I just did to the back, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm I'm gonna come back after I do that. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. Went ahead and diffused off camera. I usually just diffuse my hair to about like 80%, so my hair is not all the way dry, but it's basically dry. I like to air dry the last 20% because I don't like for my hair to get too frizzy the first day, so it can last a little bit longer. But y'all, get into the results, okay? This is why she go eats. Like, I feel like these products go together so good. I still do the OG hand test. Like, I test my products on my hand before I use them. And I was like a little skeptical about that gel. But I told you I have used it before, just not all those three together. And I like all three products separate. So I was like, let me use them all together. And I think this is going to be my go-to wash and go combo. But yes, really, really get into it because it's really, really tea. Y'all, my hair is so light, so bouncy. It's not weighed down at all. I feel like it's gonna dry super quick because of the mousse. So yeah, these are the results. And I did a little beat on my face. I'm gonna go out and run some errands. I gotta buy some new matcha. So yeah, I'm going to do my hair in a week on TikTok. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure you go over to my TikTok to see some of my videos. Also, make sure that you go to the video before this so you can see how I prep my hair for my silk press to make sure that my curls come back and are not damaged. As you can see, there is no heat damage, baby. There is no heat damage. So if you're still here, that means that you like the content. So you might as well follow, like, and subscribe. Click the button below. See y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.